number one. This is for 310. So we're kind of jumped ahead. It's a little bit further down in your book. So absolute value is the distance from 0. So absolute value of 3 is 3. Absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Absolute value of negative 10 is 10. So then you're like, okay, that's 82 and that's 57 because that's the absolute value. So 82 is greater than 57. It's a further distance away from 0. And this is absolute value of negative 10 is 10. So 10 is bigger than 7. This is 15. This is 16. So 16 is bigger. This is 6 and this is 8. So 8 happens to be bigger. This is 22 and this is 19. So 22 is bigger than 19. 7 and 7, those happen to be equal to each other. So in an absolute value, what you want to do is you want to think, okay, this can be two numbers. It can be negative 3 and it can be positive 3. The reason that works is the absolute value of negative 3 is equal to 3 and the absolute value of 3 is also equal to 3. So you're going to get two answers on these problems. So this one's going to be x equals 5 and x equals negative 5. This next one will be x equals 10 and x equals negative 10. This one will be x equals 12 and x equals negative 12. I can't have a negative distance, so if I have an absolute value only equal to a negative number, there's no solution. All right, so now let's think about this. We're going to have two different values that are going to work. Well, I'm going to break this into two problems. I'm going to go x plus 2. I'm going to drop the absolute value signs is equal to 3. And then I'm going to go x plus 2 equals negative 3. So I have two answers. So if I subtract 2 from both sides here, I'm going to get x equals 1. Subtract 2 from both sides here, I'm going to get x equals 5. So I get a 1 and I get a 5. Those are my two answers. I'm not shading between them. So on this one, I'm going to get x minus 4 equals 6 and x minus 4 equals negative 6. You're going to add 4 to both sides here. Add 4 to both sides here. That should be a negative 6. There's my two answers. Number 12, x plus 1 equals 10 and x plus 1 equals negative 10. Go ahead and solve both. Subtract 1 from both sides. Subtract 1 from both sides. There's my two answers. Number 13, we're going to break this into two problems. Oh, but wait, I have an absolute value only. Absolute value only equals a negative. This is no solution. It's empty set. So if the absolute value, even if it has stuff inside of it, is equal to negative, there's no solution. Okay, but you have to make sure the absolute value is alone. This one will be x minus 5 equals 12. This will be x minus 5 equals negative 12. Add 5 to both sides on this one. Add 5 to both sides on this one. So if I add 5 to negative 12, I'm going to get to negative 7. So go ahead and take a look at this worksheet. I will tell you, like number 6, that one has to be no solution because it's equal to a negative. And as you progress through these, there's one other one that might work or not work, and it'd be this one. This is also no solution or empty set. Okay, because I have absolute value, even though there's stuff inside of it, it's equal to a negative number. All the rest of these you're going to break into two problems. So if you went down to like number 18, it'd be 4x minus 2 equals 6 and 4x minus 2 equals negative 6. Solve both of those by adding 2, divide by 4, add 2, divide by 4, and that's how we get those answers, okay? So go ahead and try the rest of this worksheet. We will check this off tomorrow. That's 310 worksheet. Have a nice day.